Oh my god, we are guaranteed to have a rare card in this pack. Guys, today we are reviewing an extremely controversial gadget that I don't even know if we should be talking about, because this thing is going to cause a lot of issues for the sealed trading card industry. And no, we are not talking about the outdated scaling method where you weigh your booster packs and determine whether they've got a shiny. This device completely changes the game. This ungodly powerful gadget is the WPP123 wire, pipe and power detector, and it is so affordable and accessible to anyone who wants to get one at genie.us/detect, or pause and scan the QR just here. Now, the way that this device operates is that it actually scans for metal, and if we turn it on, we have the ability to adjust the dial just here. Now, it's actually meant for scanning through walls and flooring to detect wire, pipes, and power points, okay? So there's a metal bar under my desk just here, as you can see, but it can in fact be calibrated to detect the microscopic amounts of metallic foil in a trading card, like this Blue Eyes White Dragon. Check it out. All right, how insane is that? So I have some booster packs just here that we're going to test this on, and I've already pre-scanned them, so I know that one of them has a foil inside. So let's turn it on, and I'll show you how we would go about calibrating it. I did leave a mark on here from where I calibrated it last time, so let's start here and see what we get. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. And something in this one. So that point that I've marked is staying consistent, guys. However, obviously, for other trading card games, you could calibrate it as well. And oh, look at that. It's actually matching. Although you may have to adjust the sensitivity depending on the amount of cardboard and foil around it. Okay. Now, so just to confirm, this is the one that had the foil in it. We're going to crack into that in a moment, guys. But just to prove that the other one is in fact a dud, let's crack this one open first and just verify that it doesn't have any shiny or holo cards inside. Junk, junk, junk. Nah, nothing in there as expected. So now onto the holo. Okay, we know guaranteed that this is going to be a holo thanks to the WPP123. And wait until you see this, guys. Absolutely insane. So we got a common, 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 common. Boom! A change of heart. Oh my god, what a beautiful card. And we knew it was going to be in there, guys. How insane is that? Now, I will say that if we are to scan the card as an individual, it won't work. And that's because the calibration actually incorporates the foiling of the pack as well. So if we are to put our gorgeous change of heart along with the rest of the cards in here, you'll see that now there is enough foiling stacked up that it is indeed detected. Okay, now why is this a big deal? Well, most people are already aware of the old scaling method where you'd get a set of digital scales, okay, and you'd just kind of bang your booster on and go, oh yeah, and you'd weigh all of them and then you'd work out which ones were holos, okay? Now, the reason this is way more insane and more of a big deal is because the Pokemon trading card company actually knew that people were weighing the packs. So what they did is they actually put different insert cards in there that fluctuate in weight, making it almost impossible to weigh them. And the WPP123 completely circumvents this by allowing you to scan deeply within the pack itself. So the implications of this are absolutely insane. Now, I don't know how the market's going to respond to this, but all I can tell you guys is please, please be careful when you're buying loose booster packs online. You just need to be aware that they may in fact be weighed. I think your best bet would be to buy sealed boxes, okay? Just to be certain that they, you should have your ratio of holos in there. But other than that, guys, it's pretty much the wild, wild west out there, okay? So make sure you've liked the video if this has helped you, and make sure you're a subscriber for more tips and tricks just like this and more cool gadget reviews. And guys, please let me ask you as well, do share this video with anyone you know who collects or buys trading cards, because this could have a huge impact on them. And just to be sure, you may want to go ahead and pick one of these up so that you can be certain that the cards you've got are in fact legitimate. And as I said, you can pick one up at genie.us/detect, or pause and scan the QR here to get one for the best price that I was able to find for you. All right. A massive thank you to our Goat Crew channel members for supporting the channel, you absolute legends. And here's a link if you'd like to join us. Here's some more great content for you to watch next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.